I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette over here in the shade Comfort Zone. Now there are 7 variations in it, but I have this one and it is usually for 600 rupees, but there is a sale, so do not worry, you will get it under 300 to 400. Now these are the swatches of the eyeshadows. There are 2 mattes and 8 shimmers. Now they are not extremely pigmented as well, but I do like it, it's good for the money that you are paying for it. So the matte, this is one of my favorite shades. It blends out really well. It is a burnt orange shade. It's blending really well. You do not have to put much of an effort to blend this eyeshadow out. As you can see, in real time it blended in really well. Now I'm using the other shadow, and so far in the mattes there is no fallout, which is what I really like about it. Both the mattes are blending in really well with each other, and there is no crustiness, and there's no patchiness to the eyeshadow. Now I am going to move ahead to the 8 shimmers. Now there are 4 duochrome shades. I've applied this black and golden kind of a eyeshadow, but honestly after applying it I did not like it. Also there was a lot of fallout in the shimmers, which I honestly don't mind, but still it's fine. The pigmentation of these is, I would say, it's good but not the best. Again, like, you get what you pay for the price. Now there's this specific duochrome shade which I'm using on the other side of my eyelid, which I really love. It gives like a green and blue aqua like duochrome finish to your eyes, which is what I absolutely loved it. The rest of the shades are basically golden and semi like cool toned coppery silvery colors. And yeah, as you can see, the shimmers are getting packed on top of each other. It's not getting creased, it's not moving places. So I applied the shimmer shades, 2-3 of the shimmer shades on my eyelids, and it looked really good. I'm going to insert like a close-up so you can see how good it looks. It's not going or not shifting anywhere, as you can see over here. My final thoughts is I love the palette. I love certain shades in this, not all of the shades. I love the mattes in it. Let me know what are your thoughts and subscribe for more.